What do Tesla, autonomous driving, RoboTaxis, and the old Runasaurus have in common? What they have in common is the penny stock that we're going to be breaking down in today's video. What's good on my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, home of your trading BFF and your stock market bestie. It's no secret that here at Touchdown Trades, we love autonomous driving. We love robo-taxis. We know that it's going to be a huge multi-billion-dollar industry in the near future, and we love investing in the tech associated with it. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking down a penny stock that is in the forefront of providing these autonomous driving EV auto manufacturers the technology needed to incorporate autonomous driving into their vehicles. This penny stock is also working on tech to discover people that have Runasaurus Rex symptoms, whether they're walking through the airport, going to school, whatever. This tech, you walk through the machine, it checks your vitals, checks your symptoms, and alerts the users to people who have Runasaurus Rex symptoms. It's crazy tech. This company is on the forefront of some awesome, intuitive, disruptive technology. And in today's video, we're going to break down the business model. We're going to break down the company. We'll talk about the technicals, take a look at the chart, and I'll provide my personal price targets, my personal investing plan in this stock. So you're going to want to stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? We talk about the hottest stocks in the market every single day. The #1 stock market investing channel on all of YouTube, not the biggest, but the best. Also, I ask for one small favor every video, and that's to dust off these two fingers right here. You got your pointer finger and you got the birdie finger. Dust them off, and then take them and jab the like button right in the eye. Let's get it. Before we break down this autonomous driving penny stock, check out the link in the description for Webull. If you're looking for the best broker out there, you want to get free money, not one, not two, not three, but 4 free stocks valued up to 3,700 big ones. Check out the link in the bio and you'll get that free money. Don't miss out. Check them out. Also, check out the link in the description if you want to get 2-week free trial to the private Discord chat where you get my buy and sell alerts in real time. 2-week free trial in the description. If you were with us on this NVIS, you would have bought it under 3 and sold it on this 200% rip towards $10 a share. Also, we recently caught a huge winner in Blink Charging. Caught this move back up from $20 all the way back towards $45 a share. We've been crushing it, so don't miss out. Check out the link in the description. 2-week free trial. The penny stock we're going to be breaking down is FRSX, Foresight Autonomous, and I know a couple other YouTubers have covered this already, but here at Touchdown Trades, we were investing in autonomous driving while those other YouTubers were still in diapers, so I don't want to hear any grief in the comments like, you're late on this one. No, we weren't late. We're investing in NVIS, another autonomous driving penny stock, under $3 a share. We are the #1 place for intuitive, disruptive, autonomous driving tech investing here. So don't give me that crap. Let's break down this FRSX. So this thing has been on a run here of late from the $1 area all the way up to $6.50 a share. But I really like this company. I like what it offers. It is a different look at the autonomous driving space. So FRSX popped almost 78% the other day on news that there may be a deal in the works between FRSX and Tesla. Absolutely huge news. There is no concrete evidence. Neither company has came out and said this is true, but there are rumors. There's rumors that FRSX is going to be providing the autonomous driving tech for the new Cybertruck. And the reason why these rumors are coming out is because there's talk that Tesla doesn't like LiDAR, which is the traditional autonomous driving sensor tech, and that they are more interested in the tech that a company like FRSX has to offer. Foresight is not a one-show pony. They're not just in the autonomous driving sensor space. They have multiple business branches that come together to make the FRSX name. So they have the autonomous driving sensors tech that they're working on that makes up their company. They have railway or train tech, autonomous train tech that detect obstructions on the railway system that will prevent collisions. And they're working on a Runasaurus Rex sensor that can be used at airports, schools, grocery stores, that you walk through like a metal detector that can detect whether you have symptoms or you may have the Runasaurus Rex. Really cool tech that we're going to be breaking down. So let's take a quick look at the financials. The current market cap is around $50 million, and we have over $14 million in cash, which is really cool to see from a penny stock, a small cap company, because typically the small cap penny stocks, they are strapped for cash. But the stock price of FRSX makes up almost a third of it is cash, which is a really good financial position for a penny stock, especially a huge growth penny stock that is working on some crazy tech. The first branch of the FRSX company that we're going to talk about is the Foresight Automotive. So this branch of the company has 70 employees, mainly in the R&D space. So this is basically them saying that they're working on growth. When you see the majority of employees in the R&D space, that's saying they're working on research, they're working on design, they're working on getting that intuitive tech to the marketplace. Huge here to have that many employees working on this tech. They have 6 patents. They were founded in 2015, and they say their value proposition is going to be all obstacle detection in harsh weather and lighting conditions. Some of the biggest downfall of traditional autonomous sensors is that they don't work very good in bad conditions, fog, dark rain. And this company, FRSX, is saying that their tech works good in those harsh conditions. The tech that they use, they call it stereoscopy. Uses 2 synchronized cameras to generate a depth map and provide accurate obstacle detection and classification. So you have the depth map, you have the visible cameras, and it detects obstacles in the path of the car. Detection of any object, accurate size, location, and distance of object, adding deep neural networks for object recognition and classification of the object. So they're saying their tech works better in rainy nights, fog, glare, rain, and snow. Here is a picture of the sensors. Here's how it works. So they say traditional stereo systems only have the 2 cameras in the front of the vehicle behind the windshield, but FRSX's technology, their sensors, they are located around the front of the vehicle, making it more accurate and allows the vehicles to detect the obstacles faster and a more accurate detection. So you have sensors in the rear view mirrors, in the front of the car where the traditional sensors would be, and also in the grille. This is not only a common consumer application. We do have the common consumer application right here, but we also have military vehicles. We have big Class 8 semi, and we have bulldozers, industrial vehicles. So the market share for this tech is absolutely endless. You have from bulldozers to your common consumer cars to military applications. And if this company starts landing some government deals, some military deals, it's over with. And this thing's going to the moon. So here is the Runasaurus Rex symptom detection mass screening solution. This is some crazy technology that is absolutely necessary out there. Even with vaccines coming to market, there's still going to be problems. There's still going to be upticks in cases, and we need an application, a solution, so we can live our daily lives without having to worry about this crazy stuff that's going on. And this is a solution for that. You put it at airports, you put it at schools, you put it at public places, and then you walk through, you get screened, you got it, you got to go home. You don't got it, you can go enjoy yourself and live your life. We need to get on with our lives, but we also need to be safe. So the patent was submitted to the United States for a system to detect up to 6 common symptoms of the Runasaurus Rex. System leverages thermal cameras, artificial intelligence, and advanced algorithms. So basically you walk through a metal detector type thing and it detects your body temperature, red eye detection, cough, signs of fatigue, and just if you have it, you have symptoms. I guess if you're asymptomatic, it won't work very good, but most people who are showing symptoms, they would come up and they would be told they can't enter wherever they're trying to go. The third branch of this FRSX is the Railvision. Now they only own about 25% of this company, but still this is a company that is growing, and I really like the tech. So you basically have the sensors on the front of a train, and If your train's going down the tracks, there's something obstructing it that could cause a collision, that could cause a derailment, then it's going to alert the operators of the train. They're going to stop and there's not going to be a crash. They have 65 employees, founded in 2016, and the value proposition is provide high-end solutions to the core challenges of the railroad industry. We got some big news let's talk about real quick. This came out just last week. Foresight partners with the University of Michigan Tech Lab to enhance vision systems for autonomous vehicles. So the PR goes on to say Foresight Autonomous Holdings, an innovator in autonomous vision systems, announced today that the company will join the University of Michigan Tech Lab, managed by the Center for Entrepreneurship, to further develop an innovative vision system designed for advanced driver assistance and autonomous vehicles. So the University of Michigan is a big, well-known academic school, and for Foresight and them to be partnering, it's good news, because if a lot of penny stocks out there are sketchy, right? They're sketchy companies. They really don't have a product that they're working to get to market, and they're really not providing any value. All they do is come out with phony PRs to raise capital, to raise money, and crush their investors. And if that was the case here, then the University of Michigan would not be touching them. This is a real company with real tech, with real growth opportunities. So the Runasaurus Rex detection software that they've been working on, the metal detector that you walk through that tells you if you have symptoms or not, they've submitted a patent application for this technology. So they are working to get this to market. They're working to get all this stuff they need to get done in order to get the patent online. This is good news and a step in the right direction. Take a quick look at the chart. I'll talk about my plan on investing in this FRSX, where I want to buy, and I'll put a price target on it. So this thing has been very strong, right? There's no doubt about it. This thing has made a huge move from the $1 area all the way up to $6.50 a share. We pulled back down to $5, but it's still extended. It's still up big. Where I want to buy is down here at $3.50 a share. We have a gigantic volume bar. We know volume acts as support. Price action is not support. This is not support through here. Why? Because it's on extremely low volume. Volume plus price action equals support. So you have a huge volume day right here, 125 million shares traded on this day right here. So this 350 level is going to be a key area. It's going to be hard for FRSX to come just straight crashing back down through that level. So I want to set my buy zone. We always need to have a plan. We talk about having a plan every video. So my buy zone is going to be from $4 to $3.50. So once we break $4, if we ever do, then I'll buy. But if we just keep ripping, I'm a spectator on the sidelines. I'm not going to chase. I never chase. And sure, I miss out sometimes, but I'd rather miss out than chase and get caught bag holding on the way down. So 350 is my buy area, $4 to 350. And then I'm going to be looking for this thing to catch support at that area and head back up and break those highs. We'll put a price target of $8 per share in the next 12 months. And I know a lot of you guys are saying only $8 is already trading at $5. That's a huge move, right? If we buy at $4 and sell at $8, that's a 100% move. On MBIS, we bought at $3, we sold at like $6. It's a huge move. These are huge moves, and they do carry risk, right? When you're looking for a 100% move, your risk to reward ratio, you're going to lose 50% maybe. When we're investing in these penny stocks, we're looking at a 50% loss for 100% gain sometimes, and that's huge risk, and you need to be aware of that. But the reward potential, the growth potential is absolutely enormous as well. So this technology is legit. This company is legit in my opinion, but the price action is telling me that I need to wait for a pullback. Sure, I want to invest in this stock, I want to invest in this company, and I want to hold it long term, as I know autonomous driving, I know robotaxis are going to be the future. It's not EV. It's not EV because EV is just selling common consumer cars or selling just one car, one truck, whatever the company is, one time to one customer. Autonomous driving is huge business. It's bigger than EV. That's why I'm looking at these autonomous driving penny stocks. I want to get invested with them. All right, guys. That's going to wrap this video up. I hope you guys got something from it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Check out the link in the description for Webull if you want 4 free stocks. And check out the 2-week free trial to the private Discord. You won't be disappointed. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Until next time, peace.